y'all, welcome back to my channel, Tete Naturals. It's your girl Tete, and I am back with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope your day was beautiful and amazing and peaceful and just a bliss. And if you've been around, stuck around, and still around, what's goody? I miss y'all so much, and I also hope and pray that you guys' day was just as beautiful as you guys are, okay? Because we're all beautiful, okay? We're all blessed, okay? Period. In today's video, I'm gonna try to make it really nice, short, and sweet for you guys, but I just have a deep conditioner review, and the deep conditioner that we'll be using today is the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask with the sea kelp and argan oil. Y'all, I would be lying if I told you that I used this before, but I feel like it's best to come to you guys with products that I've previously used and also products that I have not used before, just to get like a raw, you know, reaction, raw review. But this one's gonna be raw too, but I highly suggest, if you have not tried out this deep conditioner, to try it out, y'all. It is really good. I'm gonna show you how much I got left. That much left, and I'm gonna use this on all of my sections, okay? So if you don't know what this deep conditioner is, again, it's the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask with sea kelp and argan oil. It's for dry, damaged hair. As you can see, my hair is very much dry. It's damaged towards the front because you see the edges. Child. Washed my hair earlier. If you have not checked out from blonde to black hair, how I dyed my hair, if you have not checked out that video, I will link it up at the top, and it will also be linked down in the description box below. Highly suggest y'all go check out that video. My extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna add it to this good old deep conditioner. This is also going to help me stretch my products. Never seen any of my deep conditioning videos, and this is your first one. Welcome. What's good? Welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl channel. So it says that it needs to be wet, which I typically deep condition my hair on wet hair. So we're just gonna split this section in half. Warm it up in my hands to really get the ingredients nice and activated, okay? And then starting on my ends, and the prayer method, just applying the deep conditioner all over my hair. Y'all, I love this deep conditioner for many reasons. Granted, this is my first time really like adding the extra virgin olive oil to it, so I'm really ready to see like the moisture that this gives my hair. But just applying it off GP, it has my hair feeling really good, like really soft. Take my wide tooth comb and just really detangle my hair and just make sure that the product is well distributed all over. My hair feels so freaking moisturized. I don't know if it's the olive oil, okay, but my hair feels great. I would say that my hair has been pretty dry and brittle for quite some time, so I try to focus on products that are gonna build up my bonds, my hair bonds, and really just create that strength and build back up the moisture. Hey y'all, so y'all know I love to give a little bit more detail on the product, so let's get right into it. The sea kelp is mineral rich, nutrition seals and smooths the hair cuticle. The argan oil restores shine while helping promote hair elasticity. And that the shea butter, what is that, y'all? The shea butter deeply moisturizes while conditioning the hair and the scalp. It heals, grows, and strengthens. The hair is sulfate free and is also color safe. So y'all, this is what my hair is looking like. If you've never seen any of my other deep conditioner videos or any of my wash day videos, anything like that, then you wouldn't know that I typically don't sit underneath the hooded dryer when I deep condition. I let my natural heat from my head penetrate the deep conditioner into my hair. So what I'll do is just take a plastic cap like such. I just get these from the dollar store, they're $1. I'm gonna let this sit in my head for a good 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes at most. And then rinse it out and then show you guys the final results. This is what my hair is looking like. My hair is super duper soft. I didn't put that much conditioner in there, so it's kind of like condition leave-in plus my natural state without any product. But being that I put the leave-in conditioner in there, there's actual product in my hair. This deep conditioner is a 10 out of 10. I highly suggest you all try it out. Let me know if you like this kind of content where I show you products that I've been using and then recommend them, or I give you all like a raw reaction to like first time using it. But my hair feels so soft, y'all. So soft, I cannot wait to actually do my hair. Let me show y'all the back first. Okay. This is the end of this video. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.